Hello everybody, this is Gavin from the Waffle Gang. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I will be going to the Ogden Christmas Parade. Hello Boots. Alright, let's get started. We're heading into the parking lot. Parking right now as we speak. And we're here. Alright, we just got out of the car. And I don't know where my family went. I'll find them. It's a movie theater. It's a garbage can. And a hockey game. It's starting to get dark and the trees are lighting up. Pretty trees. Which means that the parade is soon to start. So, exciting. Alright, here comes our very first float of the night. It is a giant train. Yay! Look how beautiful. The wheels move too and everything.
Alright, who's ready? 3, 1, 2, 3!
I don't know what we're cheering about. Woo! Bye-bye, train. Have a nice flight. I think they're playing the Macarena. Yay, Macarena. I think. Yeah, they're doing the Macarena. That's a pretty fire truck over there. That was loud. Look how pretty. Yay. Pretty. Oh look, it's a reindeer. How witty is that? It's a reindeer truck. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Jeep. Right there. And it's pulling presents with it. There's a nutcracker. How beautiful. Ooh, it changes color. Wow. Yeah, decorate the van. That's fun. Oh look, that one changes color. Like there's flashing lights on that one too. Wow, pretty. Look at the icicles on the bottom of that one. Wow. Look at this guy. Woo! Yeah. Do something. Anything. Anything at all. Oh, there's a giant. Do stuff. Never mind. Look out. Look at Chewie.
Does he have a license? I know he can fly.
Chewie, I thought he was a co-pilot, not a driver. Yeah. Hello, Chewie. Oh. I hope you can see Chewie because he's amazing. Look at this. Excuse me. Look at this beautiful float. It's amazing. Look at all the pretty trees and the slide and the America behind it. That's amazing. It's freaking amazing. Look at the horses. They're so pretty. Horsey. I found it. Oh, that is really bright. Oh my god. Look at that truck. It's so pretty. Wave to him, Gracie, wave. Energy. Feel the energy of the Christmas lights. Oh, look at the dancers. Yeah. Oh, that's bright. Yeah. They're not doing anything. They're just kind of doing their own thing. Oh well. Okay, they're doing something. Okay, well then. It's fun. Look at the horses over there. They're so pretty. Pretty horses. And look at that truck. What does that say?
I don't know.
I can't tell. It says Village Committee. I don't know if this camera has good enough quality to see what that means. See those words. It's the Light of the World Church. With a really, why are all the police so bright? And then a truck with a whole bunch of people dressed very nicely. I don't want to say Christians because I don't know if they're Christians, but people's. Look, it's another pretty truck. That one's a little bit more easier to see. Right. Beautiful. The Nutcracker just fell. Right over. Poor Nutcracker. Choo-choo train. All aboard the choo-choo train. All aboard. All aboard. Choo-choo. All aboard choo-choo train. All aboard choo-choo train. I'm going to wave. Hello. Yeah, I just waved. Oh look, people. That's like the best part of us. Another pretty truck and float full of people. Fun. That truck's throwing frisbees. I'm gonna stand up right here and I'm gonna wait. They're not throwing frisbees. I have been trolled. Look at that prettiness.
Marching band,
Yeah, marching band. When I do marching band next year, that's a when, not a if. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. That'll be me. That'll be me next year when I'm in marching band. Yeah. Except there'll be trumpets and stuff instead of just percussion. Yeah, whatever. Pretty truck. Except there's people inside of it waving. That's a pretty truck. That's pretty. That's pretty. People. Yay. Dance. And guy needs to get out of the way, otherwise I can't see it.
Let's get cracking.
Ooh, there's a bus. Flashing people. I can't believe it's almost Christmas, Dad. Can you not just believe? It is very weird. Let's get cracking like a nutcracker.
What? What's a bigger cracker?
What does it say on the side? It says, oh, it says let's get cracking. It's actually easier to read it on the camera than it is on the actual bus. And now, what? How did I almost drop your phone? I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
It would suck if the Star Wars people were on the other side of the street.
It would, wouldn't it?
Promenade, sing all that song as we make it short. We're rocking in a winter wonderland.
Yay! Great dancing. I've ridden in one of those at not Bear Lake, at Lava. Because we took one to go to like a rope course, and it was a really hard rope course, but it was fun. And we also did zip lines there, and a giant big ball that inside a ball that it was like a. Sorry, I'll stop zooming in and out. I'm just kidding. The veterans just passed. I had to stand up and stuff and clap because it was amazing. Because they're amazing.
Oh, it's Mike.
So, yeah. Oh, look it!
You can try it.
It's a pretty penguin and other stuff. Okay.
I'm on a boat.
Look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat with a snowman. And now some advertising. Go to the Tarzan thingy. That's the cast of Tarzan. A play or something. Yeah.
Tarzan, yeah, Tarzan.
It's Tarzan. Ba-ba-da. Shooby-doo, ba-da-bop, shooby-doo. Yeah, that's the... Yeah. Look at all those bikes. There's those sparkly. They're advertising something. Oh, yay, bike. Oh, it smells weird now. Like, it smells like... What does it smell like? It smells like oils. It smells like oil. Like, Star Wars is coming! I'm so excited, I can't wait. They're on the other side of the road. Rage. Woo! Why would you? Woo! Look. Oh my gosh! It's the dude man. Oh my gosh! It's Captain. Is that Captain Phasma? Oh my gosh! That's really bright. That was Boba Fett. It's Boba Fett. More than one. And then there's some Jedis. Or Darth Vader. Oh, where's Darth Vader? I forgot that guy's name, but he's cool too. Oh my gosh, he's a really flashy clone. Darth Maul.
It's an Empire.
Darth Maul. Where is he? Oh, there's him. Oh my gosh, it's a Sith Lord. Oh my gosh, Jedi's and peoples everywhere. It's Ahsoka. 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 That's it. What are those things called? I forgot. Look, it's another Sith. Yay! And then he's got a candy cane lightsaber. Yay! Yeah! They gonna play it off, huh?
What were you saying? Something like you what?
They're just dancing. Boring. There's a minion on top of that car. That's not very safe. It's the sheriff. You better watch out. There's so many things going on at once, I don't even know what to look at. Ah! Cheerleader peoples. It's fun. Beto, 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 Beto. It's a giant Coca-Cola, bruh. It's gigantic. It's princesses. Look at the princesses.
Smiley, who's all those people?
Prince Eric and Ariel and Belle and Tinkerbell and all those fun people. I don't know where Santa is. It's the chick to the Phil to the A. Oh my gosh, it's a cow. It's a beautiful cow. It's Santa! I know him! There he is, the jolly fat man himself.
Hey, you fat man.
I can't really see him. Oh, there he is. Hello, Santa! Voice crack major. Hi, Santa! And a bunch of police, so no one kidnaps Santa. All right, so the parade is over, and fireworks should be coming very soon, right over the top of that building. The fireworks have started. Look how pretty. Yay! It's so pretty. That's so cool. Yeah. Oh my Johnny. Yeah, I can still see it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Bye. Have a wonderful time.